In today's video, we are going to talk about how blogging can be one of the best ways to make money online.
What year is it?
Yes, I know what I said in the beginning of this video, and I still believe blogging is one of the best ways to make money online. Now, obviously, there are different routes you can go down to make money online, whether it is blogging, YouTube videos, e-commerce, drop shipping, all these things, again, are great options to make money online, but a lot of people do not realize, even in 2023, that there is a good amount of money you can make on blogging. Now, there's two reasons why you can make quite a bit of money. I guess you could say three, but we'll go with two for the most part. And the first one is affiliate marketing. Now, we've talked about this before, and again, most likely if you're watching this video, you know what affiliate marketing is, but in case you do not, is where you go out and find products that you enjoy, you use, and again, recommend to other people and have links to those products, whether that's to Amazon or to the site itself, telling people to buy those. And if they do buy those, typically you will get a kickback from that company. Now, whether that's 5%, 20%, it's always different. You have to read the fine print for each and every company. But again, this is one of the best ways to make money off blogging. And we will talk about this a little bit later in the video as well. The other one is obviously Google AdSense. Now, if you've ever gone to any website, even the most common websites like Yahoo, ESPN, to name a few, whenever you go to those websites, there's always little bars at the top or on the side that have ads. That is Google AdSense, and your blogs themselves can have them as well. Or if you've ever gone to a baking site and you've been littered with hundreds of ads, that's because, again, the person who created that blog is getting paid each and every time you click on a page, and therefore, again, it's getting them profit each and every single day while they sleep. Now, let's talk about the blogs themselves. Now, blogging, like I said, you can do any topic, and I've talked to people about this before. Each and every one of us have a unique thing that we know about. You may not think it's unique, but I'm guaranteeing you, you've gone through your entire life learning certain things and picking up things fairly easier than other people have. Now, whether that's with automobiles, whether that's construction, sports, teaching, woodcrafting, any of these things, online marketing, you have a little bit of knowledge or more knowledge than other people do. And whether it may seem common knowledge to you, it most likely is not common knowledge to most people out there. Now, the reason why I think a blog is a better example than a YouTube video, I'm going to give you the example of automotive oil changes. Now, you don't have to be a car person to understand this, but let's say you watched a video on someone changing the oil. Now, there are hundreds and hundreds of different vehicles out there. So most likely, if you watch one video on someone changing their oil, it's not going to be the exact same vehicle that you own. Now, if you have a blog, you can then go on different vehicles, whether it's the maker, the year, again, all these things you can then write about and say how these things are a little bit different, what you need to tweak. You can easily do that in a blog. And guess what? We talked about affiliate marketing. You can throw affiliate markets into each and all those blogs for different mechanical things that you may need, whether it's different wrenches, whether it's different oils. The list goes on and on and on, which again is why it's so massive for blogging. And again, you could do a different topic. You could do health, you could do wealth, you could do multiple things when it comes to blogging. Now, my one takeaway though, for anyone that is starting to blog though, is again to give it time. Like anything, it will take some time. Your first blog or first post most likely will not see much income, if any traffic at all, online, because guess what? No one knows about it. It takes time, it takes effort, and as you go on and on and on and create more and more posts on whatever blog you're writing about, you will slowly get more and more traffic. And as you get more traffic, more people will share it to people that they know, because obviously if it's good information, they will share with other people, and guess what? More views, more clicks, more profit going into your bank, which is again why I see blogging as one of the best ways to make money in 2023, and especially online as well. So hopefully you found that very educational. If you did, comment down below what you enjoyed most about this video. And if you did, again, enjoy this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe down below. I greatly appreciate it. It helps get this video to more and more fans such as yourself. And that is it. And I will see you in our next video.